Yeah, hello guys. I'm Sunil. Today we'll speak about last class. I have explained about uh, predicate and function, right, Sumant? So
Right.
today we'll explain about consumer and supplier and what is by predicate, by function, by consumer. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll try to wrap up the class. Yeah, the class will be a bit longer. Yeah. Okay. Today, I hope so. Okay. Sumant, no stand-up call right now. Everything is fine and free, right? You are
Yes, yes, I'm free.
okay.
Anything.
So that's a good thing.
Yeah, share the screen.
Yeah, yeah. Can you see my screen? Let me share my.
Not yet. Yes, now able to see.
Okay. So, Sumant, what is predicate? Tell me, Sumant. Huh?
Predicate is a predefined functional interface.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that is okay. What is the specialty? How many inputs it will take? What it will return?
Okay. Like generally, like predicate contains the test method, and it will take
Huh? So,
predicate will contain the test method, and it will. Sorry.
I will contain test method. Carry on, carry on.
Yeah, it will return the boolean. Boolean. It will check like whether it is a true or false. Like it will return the boolean.
Yeah, it will return the boolean exactly. It will always return the boolean. Okay.
It will always return to details.
Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
Not boolean. So it will. So whenever
It
there
will
is a
have the
condition
like.
checking, we'll use
It
for
will.
condition checking. Okay. Am I
Yes,
correct?
yes.
We cursor change. How to make this bold? View now.
Means what
Bold. The thickness.
you
Edit, 30. So what is function Sumant?
function is also one of the predefined functional interface, like which will take the input and also it will return the output also. Like
Okay, yeah, exactly. So we can't guarantee, right, which output is it is returning, right?
yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
So control B, not of B. Okay, fine, but it's fine, right?
Yes, yes, it's fine.
I think on that day we have made already.
Just you want to zoom or like
No, bold thickness that I want to make
bold,
thick.
thick, thick.
Okay, fine. So we will use we'll use predicate for
Like check
con,
like what the condition check or like that.
okay, yeah, okay. Now what about functions?
Function. It will
Hmm.
take the input and return the output, but we can't guarantee the output. Like
Yeah, it
what
will take input, take
Function will
but we
have
can't
apply
guarantee.
method.
We can't guarantee. Yeah, which has apply method, right? So
Yes.
predicate will have text method. Am I correct?
Yes.
Text
Yes.
method.
And like
Apply method, right? Yeah. Hmm. Now we'll see consumer. Okay. Consumer is also
oh,
a functional interface. So can you guess, Sumant, what it will take and what it will return as consumer? Just to give a guess.
consumer will take the input and it will also return the output.
Then what is the difference between function and consumer, Sumant? There should be some difference, right?
Yeah.
It is also a functional interface, by the way. Okay. Which contains accept method. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Accept method. Okay. Tell me. It will take some input. It won't return any output. Okay.
Okay.
It will just print. It will take some input. And it won't return any output. Am I correct?
Yes.
It is correct. Okay. So consumer contains accept. So yesterday we have seen predicate function. Right? Now today we will see consumer, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us start the eclipse. Okay. Sumant, today I will try to wrap up all the topic. Okay. Please try to attend till the last one. Yeah.
Sure. Sure.
Because I want to start streams tomorrow. Because that will based on these function streams is very important. Okay. See, whatever the topic comes to my mind, no, I feel that is important only because I have faced a number of questions on each and every topic.
Yeah, which you are missing, which small topic which were not that much important, right? That's why you are
See, basically,
not stressing
in
which
the
it is
collection
important.
framework, hash map and hash set, and number of times I was asked. Okay. I feel that is at most important. Okay. Then streams at most important. Okay. Then multi-threading law system in some product-based companies they will ask about inter-thread communication. Okay, that is important, right? And exception handling is important. Everything is important. Okay, like but mainly to check these lines you follow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll see about this consumer. Okay. So what I told consumer
Consumer will take the input,
let us take the engineer. Okay.
but it won't return any output.
Yes.
Give any result.
We should use system dot out dot println. Ante kada. It won't return means that's the case, right? Ante kada.
Yeah.
ఏమైంది రావట్లేదు ఓకే my value is I think that's it. Okay. So direct control shift group. Okay. Yeah. This is how suppose. Okay. So
Yeah.
what you should invoke on the method c dot
C dot up it has like accept.
exactly accept. Okay. That's it. This is about consumer. Okay.
Okay.
See my value is 10. Okay. Now you can pass some. Okay, what is that? Yeah, what I mean to say is you can pass some this customized object also. Okay, as input. Okay,
Okay.
na? So if you want to pass the customized object, then you need to change this one also, right?
Yes. The type employee spelling.
Okay, then you need to pass the some E1 something like that. Am I correct? Okay, and
Yes.
here this is X means E1 only. You need to print, suppose my value is X dot, what is there? X dot name idea, ID name kada.
Mm.
So you need to print like, so if you want to go with multiple lines, then also you can go. Okay, but if you want to
Yeah.
print in single, that is also up to you, but it will try with multiple lines. Okay. 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 So my ID is okay. See, for every predicate function or consumer, I'm showing how to deal with the primitives and how to deal with the customized objects. Is that fine, Suman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My ID. What else? My name.
My name.
Salary, yeah.
Mm.
See? Okay. This is how you should deal with the consumer. Okay. Okay, someone.
Okay. That means like it is taking the input. It is not returning
Output.
anything. Means like, huh?
It won't return anything. That's the specialty of consumer. Okay.
But how can you say like it is not returning anything?
Yeah, go with this. See? Wide.
Mm.
Ante. Nothing is there, Sumant. There is no rocket science. Just go to the interface which they have given. Okay. అయిపోయింది.
I mean to say my ID is 11. This it is giving the output, right? I am thinking like that. Not like that, right?
What? See, it is giving the output means it was just a printing. It is not returning, right? We are just a printing. The function without return type.
Mm.
See, if it is returning, you need to capture this. Okay. You need to capture here and you need to print. But it is just a printing.
Okay. Mm.
అర్థమైందా? See, in the project level, your situation will be dynamic. Okay. Based on the situation, you need to use accordingly. Okay. Na?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. అయిపోయింది కదా? Now, the last one is supplier. Okay. చెప్పు Sumant.
Okay.
Can you guess now? What is
Supplier.
uh,
It won't take any input, but it will return the output.
how you guess? చూసావా?
No. But I thought consumer and supplier are both opposite, right? So the
Yeah,
names itself. So I thought like that.
Yes, okay.
Is it right?
Exactly. It has a get method. Okay. Okay. It won't take any input, but it will return some output. Okay. చెప్పు సమతం అసలు ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకోకుండా నీకు కొన్ని యూజ్ కేసెస్
Output.
ఉంటాయి. ఓకే ఇన్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ లెవెల్. ఓకే.
Mm.
సో యా ఇప్పుడు చూడు. సో హియర్ యూ నీడ్ టు మెన్షన్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇన్ ద syntax. ఓకే. ఓకేనా?
Okay. Mm.
See supplier Supplier. Okay. Let us take a date of type C. Date is inbuilt class month. Okay. So
Okay.
here you mean to say it will return the type date. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, equal to see. It won't take any input, but it will return date. Okay. See, new date will return you the exact date of. Okay, which right? అంటే ఇప్పుడు డేట్ టైం మొత్తం టైం స్టాంప్ దగ్గర మీకు వస్తుంది ఓకే
Okay.
ఓకేనా సో ఇట్ ఈస్ రిటర్నింగ్ కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ యూస్ దిస్ ఇన్ ఎస్ డాట్ గెట్ ఇన్ ప్రింట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్ ఓకేనా ఎస్ డాట్ గెట్ ఆఫ్ see now these two get will return two different timings because the execution time is different right Sumant?
Yeah.
41 line execution time is different see Wednesday May 15 10:31 see this is 29 second and 30 second see how they are different ఓకేనా అర్థమైందా see ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది స్క్రీన్
Yes, yes, yes. Once
See-
repeat.
see
Like
this,
why?
see 41 execution time is different and 42 execution time is different right
Yes, yes, yes.
that way
Because the time
29
different.
second and 30 second అంటే 10:31
Yes, yes. Exact time.
exact time they are writing okay ఇట్లాంటివి so see not only this there might be multiple things okay which won't okay take input and okay suppose your you need to print some welcome message okay
Okay.
supplier so your output is string now okay welcome message means welcome to India something like that you will write okay so here also the output is every time the same right so whenever some new people is coming you need to greet them welcome to India right
Yeah.
so in this practical use these are some practical use cases of supplier okay na
Yes.
okay see okay welcome to India okay na
Yeah.
these are the this is how you should use supplier summons so we have done with the predicate function consumer supplier okay these are the four important functions see there might be some other things okay okay which no I these only the things which are repeated often in interviews okay there might be I might be here and there but yeah if you come across such things I'll teach you again okay okay na?
Okay. Okay.
Okay so now okay so these four you have clarity right Sumant ఇక్కడ దాకా clarity ఉంది కదా
Yes, sir.
now we'll see
Predicate, function, consumer, and supplier.
yeah exactly
Predicate will contain test. Function will contain accept. Right.
yes yes function
And
predicate test function apply consumer
Apply.
accept okay supplier get see the interviewer will ask you okay suppose if they want something about consumer you need to tell these 2 points they are very important right it is a
yes.
function interface which contains the accept method it will take some input and it won't return any output like that you need to say okay they will ask that see these four are very important Samant, okay
Yes.
so yeah so once you start giving interviews regularly then you come to realize what the importance of this core job okay what I'm if I'm stressing something is important means it will be important one day okay
Got it.
okay now by predicate okay by function about by consumer once we complete these three then this task is completed okay before going for these three we'll see something called function chaining okay sorry predicate chaining the predicate in function chaining okay okay na? Okay right Suman
Yeah.
Okay. So see, suppose you want to print, if suppose you want to print, uh, you want to check whether a number is even and it should be less than 20. You want
Okay.
to check, want to check whether a number is even and it should be less than 20. అప్పుడే నువ్వు ఆ నెంబర్ ని that number is eligible for some operation. It should be even and it should be less than 20.
Both.
Then only the number should be eligible for some x operation, okay? Some x, y, z operation, okay? It should be less than 20, okay? So now, now I will write a predicate. Obviously, that input is integer. Am I correct? Integer p1, right? So,
Yeah.
x. So how you will judge it, if it is even or not? X mod 2
It's equal
double
to
equal to 0.
0.
అంతే కదా? If it is even, it will return true, else false. అంతే కదా? Next,
Yes.
how you will judge it is less than 20 or not? Just
Predicate integer
p2
2
again
equal to
x
yes.
and x
should be greater than
less than or equal to 20.
less than 20.
అంతే కదా? Now, if suppose, see, if you write p1 dot test of some number, it will check for only for that condition alone, right?
That
If
yes,
you
yes.
write p2 dot test of something, it will check for that condition alone. Suppose if I want to check both conditions are satisfied, then only I should print, then only I should go ahead. So then what we'll do, use end operator. What's that? End p1 dot end of p2. Okay na? Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. See, we are giving both p1, p2 a single input only, right, Sumant?
Yeah.
Just a minute. I'm going to type. That should be correct only. P1 dot end of P2. Okay, sorry. It should be end of dot. Okay. You need to write like okay. Okay, so let's see P1 dot end of P2 and test 20. See, for both these two, you are sending 20. Okay, right? So you are joining this P1 and P2, right? Sumant.
Yeah.
Ante, I believe this is called predicate chaining. Okay.
We are combining both, so it is a chaining. Like both.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Now this number is applicable to home operation. Okay. So now let us take 18. Okay. And the other one, if you take 21, it won't print, right? See, Sumant. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See, it's not printing anything. Am I correct?
Yeah.
You can use some else statement, we can give some logic. See, the thing is, you can customize the logic accordingly. Okay, na?
Got it.
Got it, right? Okay. Now, if you want to join two functions, right? See, can I remove everything because this seems too clumsy? Okay.
Yes, you can.
So far you're following, right, Sumant?
Yes.
What I'm teaching you.
Yeah.
Suppose this function, what is this? A function means it will take some input, it will return some output, right? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, first we'll send some input. Okay. For that input, we need to what we do? Double the input. Okay. Right. After doubling, you need to After doubling, you need to triple the input. Okay. First we'll send the input. First we'll make it 2 times. Then after that we'll make it 3 times. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So x correct. X will return 2x. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Same thing. We'll copy and we'll make it 3x. Okay. So not 3x. It will increment by 2. First it will multiply by 2. It will increment by 2. Let us take that. Okay. Okay. So you got it, Suman? So,
Got it.
so the requirement is we need to perform two operations and we need to get the output. So then use and then F1 dot and then see, okay, F2 dot apply. Okay, you got it, Sumant? What I mean to say. So first if you pass in 4, it will return 8. From after 8, it will return 2. Means it will print to 10. Am I correct?
Right.
So it will return something which you can take 10 into y. Okay? This y is expected to be 10, right?
Right.
Antega. So in this way, you need to join this function also. Okay.
Okay. Dot then. And then.
Yeah, dot and then because these two are not checking any condition, right? And then means then tarvata after that, like that. And then, okay.
Yes, sir.
See, is that fine? Okay. Okay, smooth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same thing we can do for consumer also. Okay.
Yeah.
See, so you need to be thorough in these operations. Okay.
Sure.
Then only the project level you can perform. Okay. See, in interview level, you may not face all these things. Okay. What I'm telling is, in the interview level, come to interview. Before the interview, if you come to me 2 to 3 days before, I can train you. Okay, such that you can answer at least 50 to 60% of the core Java, Spring Boot, and Microsoft questions. Okay. Cracking interview is not that deal, Sumant. Okay. Dealing with the project is the deal. Okay.
Got it.
See, if you're good in problem solving, cracking the interview is not a deal. Okay. If you give 10, I can't say all the interviews will crack, but if you give 10 interviews, you can crack at least 6 to 7. I can guarantee that. But performing in the project is also a deal. Okay. It's not like once you get into the company, your job is done. You need to perform in the project. Okay. Right? That is also important for a developer. That is very important. Okay. That is what the problem with the students of nowadays, the people are going to some random coaching center. They are learning the course. They're entering into some corporate company. But after that, they are not performing. That's the complaint. Even I'm hearing from here and there. Okay.
Got
See,
it.
performing in the project is something different. Okay. They won't be like this much simple. They are simple only, but they are like in the project. There are multiple things you need to correlate them. Your analytical skills must matter there. Okay.
Got it.
Got it, right? And the way you deal with the manager leads, the way you manage, అవన్నీ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. Got it right? Okay. Consumer, okay. First, it will print hi, C1, and second one it will print hello, okay na?
Yeah.
Okay, it will we need to print, right? Sorry. It's not good. Okay. Okay. After that, it is expected to print hello, okay? Okay. Too fast. Dot consumer means which one? Accept, huh? Am I correct?
Yes.
Hi. So it will print both times hi, hi, okay? See, hi, hi, okay na? This is how the consumer chaining functions. This is all syntactic supermonism. There is no much logic like multi-threading. Like, see, if you observe, this collection is also a syntactic sugar, and this interfaces Java 8 is also syntactic sugar. Am I correct? There is nothing big logic, right?
Syntactic, sorry.
Syntactic sugar. So this is the word people will ask. We use in the corporate. That's why I was habituated. Syntax sugar. Syntax sugar. Simple.
Syntax. Sugar. Uh-huh.
In Wipro, my trainer is used to use this
Say like
word.
that.
That's why I was habituated to it.
Nothing rocket science involved there. Only syntax. Syntax.
Okay. Now we'll move to by predicate, by function, by consumer. After that, we'll close this session. Okay.
Sure. Till now we have you've seen function like predicate chaining, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Function chaining. Now by predicate, by.
By predicate means can you guess? You can easily guess now. Okay. What is by predicate?
It will
It will take two input and
two
it will return
inputs. Yeah.
Boolean as output. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose there is a condition. You'll suppose like it will after adding the two input numbers, we need to check the sum is even or not. Okay. So two inputs means to write two integers. Okay. That's it, right?
Yes.
అంతే కదా సుమన్. Else false. అంతే కదా.
Yeah.
This is how you should use that. Okay. Right. Okay. So bb1 dot apply era test. Sorry. Test 10 some 2 comma 3, right?
Yeah.
So this value will be obviously false. అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir. 5 modulus 2 is not good. So it's false.
See, suppose the interviewer, basically the style of interview nowadays is they'll give some logic. Some interviews they'll ask you to perform in Java 8. Okay.
Okay.
Some problems are with logic. See, the logic seems to be very simple. If you use the normal traditional logic, then what you will see, make sure that will fit to the predicate or consumer, supplier, or try to some correlate to some what we call some function interface. Then you write the logic. See, if they are asking write the prime number logic in Java, it means just use this predicate, right? If it is a prime or not. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now. So you can, if you're not, see, I will tell you how to write by using strings, but something you're missing is try approach by using this at least this interface, okay? Then it will be giving some impression, okay? Ante kada.
Got it.
So this is how one went, okay? See, false, okay? Now tell me what is by consumer? By predicate then, by function, you tell me.
By function, it will take the 2 input and it will return the 2 output.
Not it, always everyone will return. How can any function will return 2 outputs? Someone.
2 output.
It will take 2 input and return output ante. Okay. So just a predicate replace with function, okay? Antena? Function, okay? And comma, you need to mention, right? See, for predicate, we can't mention the output, but for function will mention, no?
Yes.
It is Boolean, right? Ante kada. Control shift O. Okay, instead of test, you should use what is that? Apply, okay? Ante kada. Ante kada. Is that clear?
Yes. Clear,
Okay.
clear.
Thank you. Why it's not printing anything? Okay, okay. See, it will return some output. It will return a Boolean output, right? It should print false, right? It's not printing. Yeah,
It will do that.
yeah, it's printing, it's printing. Okay. So this is about by function. Okay.
Yeah.
By consumer means it will take 2 inputs and it won't return anything. That's it, right? See, Sumant, I'm just telling the examples. You can correlate whatever you want. Okay, after the class. Okay.
Yeah.
So it won't return, but it will print. That's it, right? Instead of returning, it will print. Ante kada, simple. There is no need to catch and there is no need to print. Just it will, instead of returning true, it will print true. Ante kada.
Yes.
Ante. I thought it will take some time, but fine. We're able to complete in expected time only. Okay. Okay. That's it. Sumant. Okay. So instead of apply, what we should use, Sumant? Sumant.
Here, for consumer, we have to use, sorry. Test to apply accept.
Exactly. Okay. Ante. Okay, na? Ante అయిపోయింది. That's it, right? The value is false. Ante kada?
Yes.
See, I'm not teaching for by predicate, by consumer with customized classes. Okay. So you just
We can do.
you can that's a homework for you. Okay. So this is how someone ante. Okay.
So what is the use of this by just the thing?
There are multiple inputs in the project level. You might face the situations. Okay.
So there is also by a function we have to get into mind. So these are also the
Important.
predefined.
Yeah, obviously these are the predefined only, right? Then how can I?
Yes.
if you have a doubt, just control click.
Yes, yes.
See, accept. See, it is taking 2 inputs. అంతే కదా. See, this is why they have mentioned T and U means that might be any type. That's why they have mentioned. Okay. See, for a function interface, they will mention in the interface level. Don't think this is a rocket science. Just they're trying to say that has a single method which return type of T and U are there. Okay. In the T and U, you can you can replace with anything. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Stop sharing.